Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to cook shrimp with tahong. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll want to clean your shrimp by peeling and deveining them, but feel free to leave the tails on for a nice presentation. For the mussels, give them a good scrub under cold water to remove any grit. Remember to discard any mussels that are open and don't close when tapped. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Start by heating about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pan or pot over medium heat. Once warm, add your minced garlic and sliced ginger, sautéing them until they become wonderfully fragrant, which usually takes about 1 minute. Next, introduce your prepared shrimp to the pan. Cook them for just 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn a beautiful pink and are opaque. Then, remove the shrimp and set them aside for later. With the shrimp set aside, it's time for the mussels and the delicious sauce. Deglaze your pan with about 1/2 cup of white wine or chicken broth, scraping up any brown bits. Then, add your cleaned mussels to the pan and cover it tightly. Let them steam for 5 to 7 minutes, or until all the mussels have opened. Be sure to discard any mussels that stubbornly remain closed. Finally, stir in about 1/4 cup of butter and some fresh chopped parsley to create a rich, flavorful sauce. Almost done. Now, bring back those perfectly cooked shrimp and add them to the pan with the mussels and that incredible sauce. Gently toss everything together, ensuring the shrimp are beautifully coated in all those wonderful flavors. For a final touch, you can garnish your dish with a little extra fresh parsley or a squeeze of lemon juice for brightness. Serve this delightful meal immediately, perhaps with some crusty bread to soak up the sauce or alongside steamed rice. Enjoy your homemade shrimp and tahong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.